Okay.
Don't lean too much into the plate. Yeah, punch that. That's how you get caught and drop. I see niggas who jab a bit. Yeah. Don't put all your.
Watch out for his haymakers.
You have to find your range.
You have to find your range.
Yeah, what? That's why.
Oh.
Coming over the foot.
Cruz trying to get that low blow, I see.
He's trying to hit him in the nut.
He's trying to get that.
No, my shit has a my shit has a timer on it, so when it goes up to a minute, I'll tell you.
Yeah, with slap outs in it, alright? 2 years ago, remember that? Oh.
Put
your feet right here.
Oh yeah. Clap. Oh.
Good body shot.
Good shit, Cruz. Okay.
Let's go. Go, Poppy. Go, go.
Alright, a minute.